Alrighty, y'all, now that we got our hash browns and our eggs into our muffin holes here, I'm just coming in with some diced green, red, yellow bell peppers, just to give this a little bit of color, a little bit of vitamins, something yummy, yummy and healthy, healthy. Now I'm just gonna use a little bit of diced onions in each one. The fun thing about this is it's totally customizable, and isn't this perfect if you got family staying with you for the holidays or beyond, anytime you're cooking like a slumber party for the kids. This is such a great recipe to do, so easy. Alrighty, I'm choosing to add a little bit of garlic into each one of my muffin holes. I'm a garlic lover in this house, and I feel like it's just so healthy for you, heart healthy, good for your immunity and your brain and your lungs, just everything. Garlic's so good for you. All right, I'm just using a little bit of my pre-cooked bacon here. Cutting, chopping this bacon into the holes. You can leave these vegetarian if you want, not use any protein. You can use a sausage or whatever kind of breakfast meat you like. My husband's a big fan of pork roll, so sometimes I make that for him.
Scrapple.
And scrapple, y'all. Oh my. Yeah, you gotta really be committed to your breakfast meats to enjoy the scrapple and the pork roll. Leave a comment below if you're a scrapple lover so we can identify you. All right, we're coming in with some Colby Jack. Right now, Colby Jack is my favorite cheese, y'all. You can use whatever kind you like, but I have just really been feeling the Colby Jack recently. And look at this fine shredded from Walmart. They are killing it. Like, this texture of this fine shredded, I'm just really enjoying this. It melts so well, and it just, yeah, I like how fine it feels. All right, I'm just gonna add a little bit of seasoning all in one. This is a red pepper seasoning that I'm gonna throw on top here. Yummy, yummy, yummy. You can do a little bit of this, a lot of this, none of it. Whatever seasonings you like, salt, pepper. Alrighty, y'all, I'm about to pop this in my oven, 350 for about 20 minutes. Alrighty, y'all. We cooked these for about 25 minutes and our breakfast is ready. Alrighty, here we go. Getting on in here for our breakfast of champions. Look at that perfectly cooked egg. Oh yeah. No runny yolks. I don't want that today. Delicious. Y'all, best way to feed a group, you gotta try it.